everyone. Today we have a 2018 Toyota Camry XLE. Toyota makes a couple different trim levels for the Camrys. XLE is the luxury, stands for extra luxury edition. There's also XSE, which is the more sportier version, extra sport edition. And then your LE and your L will be your base model. Come around to the front here, we have some nice LED headlights and DRLs. I do love I wouldn't say it's a black grille, it's more of like a dark gray. It's a beautiful color. It just makes the front of the car really pop. And it does have a full moon roof, which gives the car kind of a black roof look. Take a look over here in the trunk. There's plenty of room in this trunk. Plenty of room. You can fit a lot. You can fit golf clubs, I mean, whatever you need. You see, if you pull this, it'll drop those seats down. I guess I have to push them. Push those seats in. There's one on this side for this side, I guess. Plenty of room back there. Fit even more stuff. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Hood release down here. Now these Camrys come standard with a inline 4 making about 200 horsepower, which really when you're buying a Camry, horsepower isn't your main concern. But this one is optioned with the 3.5 liter V6 making around 300 horsepower. So if you want a little more sportier feel, go with the V6. It still gets amazing gas mileage, and we'll talk about the gas mileage here in a bit. But yeah, let's go ahead and hop in the interior, take a look. Well, look at the back seat first. Fold these back up. Now, this is my normal seating position. I am 6'4", so not a ton of room when I have the seat all the way back. But if the passenger isn't super tall, then you have plenty of room in the back. Now this does fold out for some cup holders. No USB ports back here. You do have vents you control. Automatic rear windows, cup holders. More door cup holders. Every window is automatic, which is very nice. You don't see that a lot, which is weird. Starting it. Got a couple of USB ports down here, auxiliary cable. Got your cigarette outlet, your 12 volt. Lots of room in the center console. I have a couple things in there. 2 USB ports. Glove box has plenty of room. Dual climate, which is very nice. Does have heated seats, electronic parking brake, and you have your trunk release, your gas cap release, so you gotta press this if you want to open the gas cap. Does have 360 camera, which is very nice. Take a little bit look at that later. Automatic high beams and your traction control. Little spot. I use my garage door opener in there. It's a nifty little holder. Let's go for a drive. Now I just reset the miles per gallon, so it's reading at 18, but usually cruising around the city, just normal driving, it's about 25 miles per gallon. And highway road trips rolling 70, 75, it gets about 35 miles per gallon, which is very good. And you have a couple of different modes here. There's eco mode, normal mode, and sport mode. And this is your brake hold. I'll talk about that in a second. So eco mode is usually where I drive in. It's plenty of get up and go to get around, get out in traffic, merge on the highway and stuff. You really don't need anything more in eco mode. It also helps you get way better gas mileage. Normal mode, just your normal driving. Eco mode does slow down your throttle response a little more. Normal mode just makes it normal. And then sport mode will make your throttle response a little more sensitive, touchier. It'll rev out a little higher. You see we're in sport mode now. Just revs up a little higher, but we'll put it back in eco mode. Also, whenever you change it, the little line above the D for drive changes colors too, which is pretty cool. Also, you can bump the shifter over into sport. That works too. If you pop this back, that is a wireless charger. Put your phone and stuff there. Or you can open up and you have a little cubby for storage. Now, only heated seats in the front, it's not ventilated. I believe ventilated is an option, just not on this car. No Apple CarPlay. It does have Bluetooth audio though, which is nice. Change all your headlights, auto headlights, DRLs, all your turn signals and stuff, and then wipers and everything. I do like the controls on the steering wheel. Got your change music, you can change your mode, Bluetooth, AM, FM. And it does have adaptive cruise control. So you control all that right here. And then you control your menu through here with this side. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this car does have heads-up display, which is very nice. You don't have to take your eyes off the road if you want to see how fast you're going. Shows you what direction you're heading, shows you your RPM, shows you your speed. So, say you don't want to look down at the speed and stuff right here, then you just look at the bottom of your windshield. It's very nice. So, when we get up here to this light, I will demonstrate how the brake hold works. Basically, a short little rundown is you press the brake hold, and if you take your foot off the brake when you're sitting on a light, your car will not, it won't roll forward. It'll act like you still have your foot on the brake. So, say you have a tendency to not pay attention at stoplights, then this is a very good option for you, because if you accidentally, say your foot slips off the brake or something, then you don't roll into traffic, you don't roll into the car in front of you. Oh, of course, it's a green light. We'll just go through and we'll just pull over here somewhere. We'll pull in here real quick. This car is very comfortable to drive. It's a very easy driving car. Really, it's a great road trip car. Now, a lot of manufacturers now, they make all their seats super firm, and I'm not a fan of firm seats at all. This has nice cushiony seats, good for long road trips. Also, like I mentioned before, great gas mileage. Here, let's show you that brake hold. So you press your button down here, you'll see on the dash it says hold, and then whenever it's activated, it'll pop up yellow hold. And I take my foot off the brake, I don't move anywhere. Now, say we don't have that on, take my foot off the brake, car starts rolling forward. So, personally, I don't use it, but I bet a lot of people has its features. While we're here, let's show you that reverse camera and the 360 camera. So, a good size camera, decent quality. So your 360 camera's over here, and then you just regular reverse. Then you can change the view. Say you don't want to see your 360 camera, you can take the lines off, or change the lines, and then back to normal view. So yeah, pretty nice. And then if you want to change your you can change your odometer down here to switch from odometer to your trip A, trip B, and then back to your odometer. And then you adjust the brightness right here next to it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you with another one.